Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the full Minitab suite with every chart, regression, and quality tool active. Your data workflow is about to get way easier. First up, head to our page and grab the installer. Click it and the Minitab engine drops onto your machine in a few seconds flat. Every chart pack and macro library comes with it. The whole thing runs itself. The engine then configures itself automatically, hooking up the regression suite, the control charts, and the DOE templates. You do not need to click anything. It just handles itself in the background. Now we open the program itself. The worksheet shows columns, calculations, and the graph window all ready to go. Your first analysis can begin whenever you want, starting today. Super clean. That is basically the whole Minitab experience. Swing by our page to grab the package and start crunching your next dataset. Every macro and template ships in the bundle. You are good to go.